What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Buick LaCrosse remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2005 to 2009 Buick LaCrosse, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look down here near the key ring, off to the one side, we can see there's this little notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. And if your key fob's worn, this may be a little bit hard to see, but it is there. So find that little notch, then I'm going to take my screwdriver and put it in there like that. And then just pry the two halves of the case apart. And pull them the rest of the way apart like that. And we see our battery right here. And this battery will just slide out from underneath that battery clip. We'll grab our new replacement battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. Slide the battery underneath that clip. Then we can snap the two halves back together. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.